Hi everyone, I am Nikita, an AI Internet FaxLab. In today's session, I'll walk you through DeepSeek, what it is, how the dashboard works, and its key features. So, before we get into the dashboard and know how to use it, let's quickly cover what DeepSeek actually is and where it comes from. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company founded in 2023 that builds large language models. Its chatbot launched in January 2025 and quickly became one of the most downloaded free AI apps in the world. Key things to remember: it's free to use, the model weights are open source under the MIT license, and it's built around step by step reasoning rather than just quick answers. Now, looking to the dashboard. So, this is the home screen you land on after logging to chat.deepseek.com. Here is the new chat button where you can start a new chat. This is the history, what you have searched till now, instant expert vision. These are the chat modes. The three tab sits above the message box. Instant is for fast, everyday answers. Expert takes more time but gives deeper, more structured response. And vision let you upload and discuss image. You switch between them by simply clicking the tab before you type your prompt. Now, right under the message box are two toggle pills that are deep think and search option. Deep think turns on step by step reasoning, great for math, logic, and coding. Search DeepSeek borrow the web for current info. The paperclip icon next to the send button is for uploading files or images, and the arrow button, or you can simply press enter key to send your message. Now, clicking on the account menu, the data tab is the important one. Lets you turn off improve the model for everyone. If you want more privacy, export your full chat history or delete all chats. Good to know for any concerned about what happened to their data. So, here's a quick recap of the full flow. Go to the chat.deepseek.com and sign up for free. Pick a mode, toggle deep think or search if needed. Type a specific prompt and then refine with the follow-up questions in the same chat. So now we will move to the practical part of this session. First, we will be using instant, then expert mode, and then vision, and further. Firstly, using the instant mode, I have simply asked it to explain blockchain in 100 words with a real world example. So it had given me a result. It was so quick. Its purpose was to show how fast it responds. You can also try it yourself. Instant mode is designed for quick answers and everyday questions. Now we will be talking about the expert part, expert mode. So I have simply asked, you are a McKinsey consultant, a company has lost 25% market share, and so on. So I have choose the expert mode in this, and it had given me a full analysis like the problem diagnosis, then the SWOT analysis, and further. So this gives you the logical answer. Expert mode spends more time reasoning and produces more detailed and structured answers, as we can see from here. Now the vision mode. Here I have uploaded a image. This was the poster, and I have given the prompt: analyze the image, identify all text, summarize it, point out mistake, and suggest improvement. So it had extracted the text and summarized the content, identified the error, and then suggested some improvements. Through this, we can analyze an image and can create it more beautifully. Now we will talking about the search mode and then deep think. So, the search mode. I have simply asked what are today's top AI news stories, include sources and summarize why they matter. So, this is the result we get. So, now the search allows DeepSeek to use current information from the web instead of relying only on its built in knowledge. Now we will move to the deep think. It is like advanced reasoning. Like I have given design a business plan for an AI startup with a rupees 10 lakh budget, include market research, competitors, pricing, revenue, model, risk, and 1 year roadmap. I simply asked it for a roadmap. So it thought for 22 seconds and then give us this executive summary, market research, and so on. Like it is a full roadmap, we can follow it for 1 year to establish our startup. So this deep think is intended for complex multi-step reasoning where the model spends more effort before responding. So we can also see how deep research is this. Now, one thing I asked DeepSeek to create an image. This was the prompt I have given, but it simply denied it. Like I can't generate image, but I can give you the exact prompt to use to paste into an AI image generator like here. So this had not created the image but given us the prompt. So I can so we can generate it in another AI tool. Now I have also tried to analyze a code. I have uploaded a Python file and asked it to analyze this Python code like a senior software engineer, explain what each function does, identify bugs, point out inefficient code, estimate the time complexity, and suggest improvement with cleaner code. So it thought for 49 seconds, line by line, like the cell 1, cell 2, and so on. So my Python file had 149 cells and it had analyzed deeply, detailed cell by cell analysis, like pandas fundamental 1 to 30, then working with the CSV file cell 31 to 40, and then data manipulation and column operations cell 45 to 56. So it made the Python code analyzing so easy. Like we from here we can simply upload a file and then can simply go through this what is done in that Python file. So it had given everything. Like we have also asked for time complexity estimation. It had also given that. And then the suggestion, we can use it to refine our Python code. We will talk about analyzing a dataset. I have uploaded a CSV file and simply asked it to analyze this dataset, identify missing values, outliers, unusual patterns, correlation, trends, and anomalies. Summarize the key business insight and recommend suitable machine learning model for prediction or classification. So this thought for 41 seconds and this had given us the result like data analysis report e-commerce customer dataset. It was the name of the dataset which I have uploaded. So this is the overview. It had 500 rows, missing values like email address avatar all have non-empty strings, outliers, everything. So we don't have to spend much time in Excel sheet or to find one by one. We can simply put it here and can analyze it in few seconds or we can say in few minutes. So these are the few things which I have done here, but we can also analyze project. We can ask it to explain any project or debugging our code, or we can also use it to get business insight. Like we can upload our sales or the customer data set and simply like this we can analyze it. Now, moving forward, before ending the session, I would like to talk about prompts for to get the better result. Like few habits that improve output quality, be specific about format, give context up format, turn on deep think for multi-step problems, turn on search for current info, and treat first answer as draft you iterate on. And now you can try it by yourself. It's your turn. You can use various modes provided in the DeepSeek and you can analyze the data, or you can use DeepSeek for multitasking, or you can do multiple things using DeepSeek. To sum up the session, DeepSeek give you a free ChatGPT class assistant with transparent reasoning and open model weights. Anything you tried is available anytime at chat.deepseek.com. And at then, thank you.